In this video, I'm going to show you the best free newsletter plugin for WordPress and how you can use it to get subscribers. Let's get started. To install the plugin, go to Plugins, Add New, search Newsletter plugin. Install this one by Stefano Lisa and the newsletter team. Install now. Click on Activate. And we have the plugin installed. Now you have to add a newsletter widget in your blog. Now this is a newsletter widget. You can place the widget in the right sidebar or in the footer area. To install the widget, go to Appearance, Customize. Let me remove this first. Move Legacy widget. And now I am going to add the newsletter widget here. Type newsletter. And let's select the minimal one. And there you have it. You can give any title like get latest updates. Now let's install the widget in the footer area. Let me delete this first. Click on Add Block, Newsletter. And there you have it. Give it a title, get latest updates. And there you go. Hit on Publish. Now once someone enters their email here, you can see the email address from here. Newsletter, subscribers. Here you will be able to see the email addresses. Now let's do a test email. Let me open DG subscribe, and you can see there you go. Status confirmed. And that's about it for this video. Check my channel for other videos. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.